So Joey Wendle, is this his first major league hit? It is. All right. So Joey Wendle has a big league batting average. Congratulations. Got a nice stroke.
Now the ball going in around Washington. Joey Wendle, his first major league appearance is at bat in Houston. Should have had a hit. Ball up the middle.